Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to stain and mount a mantle onto your fireplace. So I got this piece of wood right here for $30 at a place called Rustic Lumber. And as you can see, I've tried out a bunch of stains. I think I'm going to go with that gray one, because we're going to pick one of those two for our flooring in here once we take out this lovely carpet. And I think that that grayer tone will go better with the flooring. This fireplace is a little goofy where it has these bricks that stick out, so I'm going to have Travis come and help me cut out part of the mantle so it will fit right against the fireplace. And that's not something that I'm going to try. For those of you who saw my mudroom cabinet video, know that that's probably not a good idea for me to try. So we're just going to leave that to Travis, all the detail work, and I am really excited to get this mantle up. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also turn on notifications on our channel so that you never miss another one of our videos. Our battery's about to die, so if we don't get all this, we're gonna cut it on this, what's this?
Table saw.
Cut it on a table saw, and then the blade is not quite long enough, so Travis is gonna cut the rest with a?
I don't know yet.
Another saw, something sharp. Okay.
We aren't gonna be able to hold this steady. Let's go back to that other saw over there.
Okay.
We aren't gonna be able to hold this straight. There's no chance. Because we'd have to literally move this even. There's no chance we're doing that.
Yeah. New plan, we're cutting it on this saw, and then cutting the rest with something else.
Well, you can make it up next time.
Mush.
There ain't no use in life.
Look, you know there's spiders crawling out of this.
No,
right?
there's not. That's too far.
So we decided to get a really long blade on my Sawzall and cut it through like that. The only thing with this that I have to be careful of is I don't want to cut. I can cut this side square because I'm here looking at it, but I have no idea what the blade's doing on the other side. So that's the risk, is just you can't get as square of cuts. But
We've already cut, well, Travis has already cut these two cuts right there, and then we just have these two left that we're going to show you.
so to cut this direction, I'm going to cut a little chunk out of this and knock it out with a hammer and a chisel, and then I'll be able to turn my blade sideways and cut that way.
I'm so tired of trying. It seems to me that maybe it pretty much always means no. So don't tell me, you might just let it go.
Well, Sarah did good measuring,
Yay!
good marking, because first try fits perfect.
I love it.
Fits really tight actually. It's like perfect.
Don't even, ah! Now that Travis got this all cut, I'm going to stain it, and the stain that I chose is called Classic Gray. I don't know if you can see that. I chose the Classic Gray because I think that that will help it match the flooring that we've picked. The wood right now kind of has like a little bit of an orangey color to it, and so I'm going to put the gray over it just to help it match better.
Oftentimes we're lazy. It seems to stand in my way. 'Cause no one likes to be let down.
We're here at Truck Trim today. This is my dad's shop. Travis is making me some brackets for my fireplace.
Hey everybody, we're here at Truck Trim. where I work and Sarah's dad's business. So I'm gonna make a mantle holder right now, like a metal mantle bracket. Sarah saw one online or something, and we're gonna kind of copy that design. And Max is struggling, so he's gonna help me. The other boys are up front watching Netflix on the computer. I've already marked this to my first cut on this machine. This is called a shear, by the way. Ready? This is my little sketch drawing. That's the mantle dimensions. And this is my little bracket. So if you can figure out what that chicken scratch is, that's what we're doing here.
You got him? Good job. Can you put him on? While we were up there working, Winston was just sitting up here like a good dog. Is that a good dog, Maxwell?
No!
Sarah and Lincoln are sitting up here watching Doc McStuffins. Winston is testing out the covers. You silly dog. So Travis is just painting these real quick to finish them up. We're going with a bronze, is that what it is?
Mm-hmm. It's metallic oil rub bronze.
It's already close to heavy. I'm worried that this looks almost green. I wonder if I need to put another coat of green.
I was just thinking it looks a little blue.
Yeah.
That looks blue.
Does it? I just got it all over my finger.
Looks super blue.
Well, that's not going to fix it then. Look at that. It does
That
look
looks blue.
Itch. Should we try sanding a little bit? I'm not really sure why this stain went on so blue, but luckily with a good sanding we were able to cut that blue-green color out and get more of a true gray.
That looks perfect. I don't need you.
You couldn't shout it to me or something.
We're here at Truck Trim.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Reminds me of getting a spray tan. You should be a spray tan artist. Doing this so evenly.
I should be a spray tanner. Let's give something to talk about. Talk about love. Love it, love it, love it, love it.